To remove duplicate cart items from Steam. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are also looking for a way to remove your duplicate cart items from the Steam, so you are in the right video. So first thing, simply head over to your Steam application and make sure you are logged into your account. As you can see, I have been already logged into my account. So first thing what you can do is, you can see there are 3 items on my cart, so I'll just tap on it. So make sure you have added your cart items inside your cart. So as you can see, there are two similar identical games which has been added to my cart. So to remove it, all you have to do is just click on this remove button over here, and just like that you have successfully removed your duplicate items on the cart. And if you want to remove all of the items from your, let's say if you in your case, if it has like more than, if you have mistakenly added like multiple items of the similar quality or similar games, then you can just tap on this remove all items over here and just remove all the items from there, just like this, to clarify your confusion. So I hope this video was helpful guys. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to channel. See you on the next one.